Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Good afternoon to all of you. How are you? I hope you are all fine. So today it is my seventh day of speaking English. So let's practice together. If you don't have practice partner, so come with me. I will practice with you and achieve our goal together. You, if you buy courses, English courses, and you will get fluent, so you are absolutely wrong. You have to practice together. You have to practice every day, no matter you have time or you don't have time. If you have time, take your time and speak English every day. So now I would like to share what I did so far. So before that, I would like to ask you, how was your day so far? So I hope it was fine, and keep your English learning journey easy. I got up at 6 a.m. and after that I stood in front of mirror and I talked myself that I am who I am, and I'm not going to change myself for someone, and I'm learning English. I love to speak English. God is with me and I can achieve it. So I did it. Then I said 100 times that I am speaking English, I will speak English, I love to speak English, I love to speak English. And after that, I came and got fresh off. Then I did brush, and after doing that, I took tea. And while I was taking tea, my mother was doing something, and my wife is is cooking food. And then I did exercise, and after that I took bath. After taking bath, I came and worshipped, and after worshipping I had breakfast. Then meanwhile my father called me and I talked to him, and he asked everything. How is everyone at home, and what is going on, what are you doing, and where are you, where is your mother? And then I asked, when will you come? Then he said, I will come on 25 February. Then I said, okay. So did you get ticket, or how will you come?